Welcome to another episode of the Lazorpoint podcast. Today, we're discussing how digital transformation is revolutionizing PE-backed manufacturing, offering a pathway to enhanced efficiency and unprecedented value creation. In an industry where unplanned downtime can cost over $50 billion annually, primarily due to IT system failures, a robust digital strategy is more critical than ever. These companies often struggle with maintaining IT uptime and availability within fragmented infrastructures. Extending the shelf life of operational technology assets and ensuring robust security are critical needs. Moreover, compliance with strict regulatory frameworks and integrating back-office operations among multiple businesses pose significant challenges. The good news is that Lazorpoint excels in facilitating these integrations and designing long-term solutions. As Grant Menard, head of growth at Lazorpoint, puts it, our approach at Lazorpoint transforms the cyber governance process from a manual, time-intensive burden, often reliant on outside consultation and trust-based self-reported assessments, into an ongoing, efficient, and value-centric strategy. By leveraging tangible data and secure score performance metrics, we not only streamline compliance for cyber insurance and SEC reporting requirements, but also eliminate the need for distracting, repetitive data gathering. For PE-backed manufacturing companies, digital transformation is not just an operational upgrade, but a strategic imperative. Establishing a clear digital strategy, investing in robust cybersecurity, and fostering a culture of innovation are key best practices. Partnering with a knowledgeable MSP like Lazorpoint can turn IT challenges into competitive advantages, driving significant growth and value creation. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights on how digital transformation can revolutionize your business.